me that there is a huge perception around the Aam Aadmi Party with your frequent exposés that, your modus operandi seems to be that of attack to get visibility, and that, you have yet to present your manifesto. What would you say to that?
I think two things really set us apart. One is, it is very, very clear in the minds of the people that those people are corrupt and these people are not corrupt. This is very clear. This is the dividing line between them and us. Second is that most of the people in this country today believe that these people are very courageous. इनको डर नहीं लगता, बड़ा साहस है इन लोगों में. रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के खिलाफ भी बोल देते हैं, मुकेश अंबानी के खिलाफ भी बोल देते हैं. They are not scared of speaking against anyone.
No, I don't think that that's a serious criticism. I think most people and the common people in this country were quite interested in learning about these exposés, because our exposés were to expose systemic problems in our system.
Mr. Kejriwal, have you thought about the Aam Aadmi's communication strategy to reach out to the millions of Indians over the next year, because it's clearly going to be a year that's going to be very critical to you? And if you could also shed some light on how you will implement this.
And obviously technology would play a very critical role in this also, as technology has played a critical role in India against corruption, and government will always do whatever they can to limit our capacity. For instance, SMS played a very critical role, but twice earlier, you remember last year, the government tried to scuttle that by putting 200 SMS per day per phone number limit on the SMSs, and we took this matter to the court and we won. Now the SMS cost has been increased almost 10 times. Facebook would play a very critical role, Twitter, Facebook, all the social media would play a critical role, emails would play a critical role. I think it is a content of communication which, if it is communicated honestly, then I think it automatically goes viral.
Mr. Kejriwal, where and what is the Aam Aadmi's manifesto? What are the main issues you are going to be focusing on in 2013?
I think corruption and rising prices. These are two things which would be most central.
To watch more, subscribe to youtube.com/ETNowLive.